ratchet. I'm dipping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ratchet, man, and you tuned in for another one, man. So, this is my Earthquake EXT or Earthquake XT. You know what I'm saying? It's been a pretty good ratchet, battery powered ratchet. Take it to the yard, haven't had any issues. The only issue, well, haven't had many issues, but there has been one issue that sometimes is, and it may be a deal breaker for some people, but I mean, to me, it's not like end of the world, and it could just be because of those clips on the bottom. So every once in a while there'll be a, see, like the battery, like it just slides back just a tad. See, like now, unless I'm not pushing the button out of the way. But yeah, I mean, it's not really a big deal, you know what I'm saying? Tap the bottom of that bitch and keep on going. So, but with my most recent purchase, I have been thinking about giving her up. Not only, I mean, not because it's been bad, just because I have a different option. So let me show you the new option that we got, and you may already know what this is, but in case you don't, let me show you. Boom! Courtesy of V. Craig Durbin, tool only 18 volt 3/8 inch ratchet. Let's pull it out and let's compare them. Now, this ratchet is only about, what was it, like 79 bucks. If you're fortunate enough to catch it on the Ryobi deals, like, you might can mess around and get it for free. You know what I mean? With the 2 batteries. Let's see here. It comes with the tool, and it actually comes with like this little short adapter here. As you can see, there is like a significant size difference in the head. Although the size is the same. Hold on. I was looking at something here. It says pull to rotate. Ooh, hold on. I gotta do that one more time for the people in the back, right? Boom. So this is like a full swivel head. It has like little stops and stuff. So that's hot. That's hot. It looks like it has a locking button right here. Boom. Trigger. So that way it doesn't, say if you, cause like a lot of times when I've had this in my bag, it'll just be in there going off. But with this switch right here, boom, boom, action, no action. And this fucking swivel joint at the top, that's hot. I can't lie. That's probably, I'm not gonna lie to you, that's probably because of the fact that, you know, it does have this place for this big ass battery. So let me grab a battery so I can show you. Luckily, with all the batteries running around here, I don't even got one ready. So overall footprint wise, I mean, the battery of course makes it a bigger difference, but this is 12 volt, this is 18 volt. It has a light on it, which is kind of hot. Oh wow, you see that? Like the spinning speed? That's like pressed all the way in right there. You might not be seeing the full picture though. Let me show you. That's pressed all the way down. And then with this one here, oh yeah, and the light, the light is on both sides. So no matter which way you turn it, you know what I mean? It's lit. It's lit. I didn't do that on purpose. But yeah, so like you can see, one more time. That's like halfway pressed. But that one still wasn't pressed all the way. Oh yeah. that bad boy will outspin this shit any day of the week. So, other than the overall form factor, which I believe Ryobi has compensated with this swivel head is hot. Let me see if I can go like to a side position. So that's a side, like it's a light right here, light right there. But if I just need to go in like this, I can do that too. So it's four positions that you can use this in. Right there, right there, and right there. So I don't know, man. It looked like I might have just made the switch to Team Ryobi right on time, baby. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all go pick y'all up one, man. I'ma just tell you ahead of time. I mean, for less than $100, grab one, bruh. Grab one. Especially if you already got a Ryobi batteries. You know what I'm saying? It makes sense. It makes sense. Now, instead of taking 3 or 4 different batteries to the junkyard, or 3 or 4 different types of batteries, or brands of batteries, now you can just, you know, take your same Ryobi, so, or Milwaukee, or whatever you're into. But like I said, actually, like, I mean, lengthwise, from the bottom to the top, I mean, they damn near the same size. Like I said, it's really just gonna depend on if you need to get into a tight space with it. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I'll sell it. The earthquake, I don't know yet. I think I might sell it. Alright, man, it's your boy LS Sherrod 254. Man, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember, if the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. Up. I ain't turned the button on.